Stockbridge and I'm in control, just like the seasons. You're taking the time from me, but no, I don't. Hey my lock loves, thank you for joining in on this video. Before we get started, I do want to let you know that I am no longer the lock shop because my lock shop is officially closed. So now I'm going to rebrand my YouTube channel to be more personal to me, more so like story times and my own personal lock journey instead of me doing other people's locks. So I hope you all still enjoy my content. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Here is my last client, my last lock extension client, and she wants to get her extensions. We're going to use the color 613 blonde hair because she wants to be able to color this hair as much as she wants to. So we're going to go ahead and extend her hair. And if you watch my why did I quit making lock extensions video, and then you know my poor fingers are crying doing this install, but she is the last person to get lock extensions from me. I am using my electric crochet needle throughout this video, but right now I'm showing you the standard how to install lock extensions using the crochet method, but soon you're going to see what I do throughout her head. One issue I had is that her locks are locked. I mean locked, honey. They're very tough. So my needle was having a really hard time going through and crocheting. So you're gonna see what I came up with, but just enjoy this little quick demo on how to install regular lock extensions, and then I'm going to tell you what I did since I couldn't do this throughout her head. One thing about her locks being on the harder side is it was super hard to mesh and hide her real hair with the extensions. So I did have to, you know, keep adding additional pieces of hair. And y'all, I sped up a lot of this. It probably took me like 20 minutes to do this one lock. So again, I came up with a whole nother technique to try and not only speed up the process, but to better hide her locks. All right, this is how we are looking with the crochet method. So now, when I got to like the middle of her head, those locks were thicker, and I definitely couldn't crochet those. So what I ended up doing was combining the wrap method with the crochet lock extensions. So I already crocheted the lock extensions, and what I'm going to do is wrap the hair around her locks to secure the two together. Right here, I'm taking the ends of the extensions and wrapping it around her lock. And then I'm going to take additional hair and secure it on. So just like how I do my wrapped extensions on the previous videos, I'm doing that with these lock extensions. And this will better help me blend in her lock with the actual extension. And also the hold is amazing. Like I was tugging on these and all of that, and it was super secure. So I think the amount of slippage that could happen has decreased a lot with this. At this point, I'm just trying to wrap as much as that lock up as I can. You probably see there are some other locks that's not so tightly wrapped, but it's okay. And I rub them between my hands to kind of mesh the hair together, and it just looks more polished when I do that. So this, if her hair was all black, the blending would be like mad perfect. But she is going to color all of her hair, so she will have a very blended style. Every time you heard the needle like stop or skip, it wasn't able to keep going through the lock. But every once in a while, I did use the needle to kind of flatten the lock as much as I could, just so it won't be like a lump. So we're gonna go ahead and watch this wrapped technique again, and hopefully I can you all get the gist of what's going on here. All right, here's the finished product. She has a two-strand twist out, and the ends are kind of kinky curly. Here's the crochet one that I did earlier, and just to compare it to the wrap method that I did, here's how that looks. So I can't wait for her to color her hair so it can blend good. But I know that this is a very secure install here. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Give me a reason, and I'll pretend I'm in control. Just like the seasons, you're taking the time from me, but no, I don't believe it. This ain't how I thought.